I got engaged last week. My fiance's name is Mike. He caught me super off guard at a time that I wasn't expecting it. After brunch, we just took a little walk to this park, and this park means a lot to us. And I was making a joke, like, we're gonna get married here someday. And he's like, right here? And I said, yeah. And he got down on one knee and I was like, right now? Okay, it's all happening. I think I would definitely consider doing a DIY centerpiece. I think not only is it cost friendly, but also then I get to make sure it feels like me. I really like things that are purple and lavender, white, coral, like that really easy, simple vibe is definitely me. I want my wedding to be like the proposal was. I want it to be intimate and small and special and significant. And so I really want things to be beautiful and simple and easy.
Hi, I'm Noor and I am newly engaged. My fiance, his name is Brian. We actually met the old-fashioned way on a dating app. We had just gotten to our hotel and it was just me and him, and we were on the balcony and he proposed. Because it was 4th of July, about 10 minutes after, all these fireworks went off and I thought it was because he got those for me. But it was just 4th of July. My ideal wedding theme and decor is very much a rustic kind of wedding. I imagine the centerpieces to be very neutral colored, lots of greenery, so maybe a wood block and greenery across the table, maybe lemons. I think just having that creative element and having that hands-on experience for your own wedding is super special. It's just a fun way to keep it, you know, low budget and have that kind of sentimental piece to your own wedding.
Hi, I'm Stephanie and I'm newly engaged. I got engaged on New Year's Eve. My fiance, his name is Derek. He is sweet and funny and kind. He tried to get the ring out and he told me to look away, so I looked away, and I'm literally starting to cry because I know exactly what's about to happen. It was amazing. All of our friends were there, and yeah, he's a really great guy. I'm very lucky. Budget is actually very top of mind. Ideally, when it comes to centerpieces, I would love to do something on my own, like a DIY project. I love whites and crimson, dark navy blue. It incorporates different elements like water and rocks. I love candles, maybe lots of candles. Minimalistic, but elegant and traditional and beautiful.